this out. So we got a freight elevator here. But this is weird. Now watch. It looks like it's not manual, right? But wait. Push B, let go, it stops. Same with 1. But if I hit 4, it goes back up, because basically the way this works is you gotta hold the button down. It's like this weird like half manual, half automatic, like Frankenstein type of deal. And also, well, light bell doesn't work, light does. Your stop switch doesn't do shit either. There we go. There's your alarm. But anyway, so basically you gotta hold it down until it gets to the floor. And then it'll stop. I think this is like, it's like a sort of cheap upgrade to automatic. It's like some weird version of continuous pressure. But watch this, see that? This is 3, I take it? Oh, never mind. So this is 2. I hold down 2, and it stops, see? You can hear the relays going. But I go to 3, and it keeps going to 3, then it stops. Let's go to basic. So much for the stop button. And it gets loud here. Here we go. And check out this door. I think it goes up. Yeah, check it out. Look at that door. Big old freight elevator door. This thing's old. It was obviously, look at that, big door. All right. We'll end the video at 1, but first, yeesh, that is loud as hell. Before I end the video, there is something interesting about this elevator. Well, another interesting thing about this elevator I'd like to show off. Let's say the elevator is not level with the floor, right? Let's say, well, right now it's pretty damn leveled, but let's say it's over level. Well, it has inching controls, so you can either level it down or up. See that? And that's pretty nifty. But yeah, that will be it.